Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a door lock assembly in your double wall oven, be sure to shut off the power to the oven junction box. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws to release either the upper vent panel or the center vent panel, depending on which door lock assembly you're replacing. Next, use a 1/4-inch wrench to unthread the 2 screws, securing the door lock assembly to the frame. With the screws removed, push the assembly back to detach it, and pull the assembly free of the frame. Note the orientation of the switch and motor wires, then disconnect them from the terminals. Install the new door lock assembly by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Now push the assembly through the frame, then hook the bracket onto the mounting tab. Thread and tighten the 2 mounting screws. Realign the vent panel and secure it with the screws. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the double wall oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.